Hi, this is Rich Sparks, Associate Broker with Keller Williams Realty. Now, let me tell you about 8183 Holly Drive in Canton Township, Michigan. Priced at $270,000, this house offers a lot. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout. And before I get too far, let's mention the school district. This is Plymouth Canton Schools, a nationally ranked school system. Beautiful granite countertops in the kitchen. And I do like how the kitchen opens up to the family room. Can really make for a great situation here. Parties, etc. You got the patio door leading out on a patio, very private backyard that we're going to check out here in a minute. And you also have the natural wood burning fireplace. This house offers a lot. But let's go upstairs and check it out. There's that hardwood flooring again. The primary bedroom, lots of room, good closet space. Several of the windows have been updated. This house does feature a whole attic fan or a whole house fan. Hey, if you're interested in this, don't delay. Schedule your private showing today. Give us a call, DM us, let's get you in. You must be a pre-approved buyer or proof of funds with the cash. And that is per the seller's request. So you got 3 bedrooms up, finished basement, waterproof with warranty, so you never, ever have to worry about a damp basement. Here's that backyard I was telling you about. I really like how the hedgerow adds privacy, and don't miss out. Get your things to consider when buying a home. The link will be in the comments. Hey, this is once again Rich Sparks, Associate Broker, Keller Williams Realty. Don't miss out on this house. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to help the sellers out, do me a favor, like, share, comment, but don't miss out. Number one thing, give us a call, don't delay, and we hope you have a great day. Hey guys, thanks for watching.